What is up, Tooligans? It's your boy 2 times here at Pro Tools Approved, and long time no see. So we're going to get right to it. You will not believe the name of this tool. I mean, you'll believe the name of the tool, but not the name of the tool. Something I use all the time. My most used, most loved, must have tool is a basic compact air blower, or as this says, a cordless dust collector. Yeah, it's the Makita battery. If you know, you know. But something must have been lost in translation there. This is the Heimerdinger, 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 Dingalinger cordless air blower. Let's check it out. Okay, dokie. As I was saying, the Heimerdinger cordless dust collector. LB111. Okay, enough of the jokes though. Compact, brushless air blower, dust blower. Something that I use every day. I maintain my tools meticulously. I maintain the job site meticulously. Keeping things clean. This is just something that I couldn't live without. At the end of the day, your top off's all super dusty. Get in there, blow everything out. Your tools are all dusty and beat up at the end of the day. Take it, blow everything off your saws, blow everything off your impacts, your drills. Take care of your tools. They just last that much longer. They're that much cleaner. Blow out your respirators. It looks good when you're on a job site and your tools aren't filthy. Blow out the back of the truck. You'll find 1.5 million uses for this, just like a WD-40 or whatever that is. I just can't say enough about having one of these blowers. All right, obviously I've said enough because I've run out of things to say. This one is a generic tool, Heimerdinger, powered by Makita. They do make them powered by multiple different other brands. This one happens to be Makita, 18 volt, 20 volt. This is obviously based off the LXT, not the XGT. Some features of this we'll get into in a second. What does it come with? Comes in a big old box like this. Inside the box is a bunch of junk, a bunch of stuff. Sorry, don't throw this out. There's a really nice piece of Kaizen foam in the bottom, cut to fit. What does it cut to fit other than this box? Well, just by dumb luck, it happens to fit right in one of these DeWalt Tough System cases. I store my tools like this. Almost everything gets its own case, well stored, well protected, well taken care of. That piece of Kaizen foam that comes in the bottom of that, bam. One of these, one of the very few things I don't store in that, because it's just, well, anyway. Connector like this goes in the back here. Your little comes right off. Yeah, you get the idea. Slides out. You got your little foam filter right there for not blowing but sucking, removing air mattresses, beach balls, equipment, this, that, the other. All different little tips fit in there for removal. Fantastic. Something small on the front. You get in keyboard, small little areas on the front. This is my favorite tip. It is spring loaded. Click, click, clack, clack. There you go. You got one of these on the end. Couple different sizes for a couple different things. Different size tips, taps, tips. This is my favorite tip. I guess that's maybe, I don't know, 1/2 inch, 13 millimeter, who knows. This one, nice wide spread, blows out and around, dusting floors. This one, see that for getting inside your pool floaties, beach balls, blow up mattresses. Another end like that. Keyboards, smaller, detailed-ish areas, diffuses the blowing. This one was very similar, but I hacked it off on the end already because I needed, well, actually, I couldn't find this, so I made my own. Um, there's a second one of these. I don't know where that came from. Another one, who knows? But you get like 7 different tips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get 7 different tips with this for all of your dusting and air compressing needs. They clip right on. You're ready to go. I haven't turned it on yet because you'll see in a second, it does make some noise. With one of the knockoff brands versus your name brands, it's going to be a bit louder. So you should be wearing your hear protection if you're using one of these for any significant amount of time. When I'm holding it in my hand, blowing anywhere from 24 inches to generally 12 inches to right up on top of your ear. Let's give you a little rundown here. Watch your ears for your headphone users to give you a kind of an idea of what decibels we're talking about. All right. So let's see how I can do this. Let me turn off that fan in the background. You hear it? I can hear it. It's hot in here. No, we're not going to blow it right at ourselves. Okay, so you get the point. 2 foot away, 86 or so decibels blowing away from you because you're going to have this end facing you, fan sucking in. A foot away from your ear, you're around the 97, 99 decibels. Any closer, you get this up toward your face. You're blowing dust, dirt out of your beard, out of your hair, down your shirt. You're 105, 107 decibels. It's loud. But it is what it is. It's moving 50,000 RPMs out of a decent sized brushless fan. You got your earplugs in, your hearing protection shouldn't be an issue. All right. Size, weight with this. It is 170 millimeters long, about 95 millimeters around, 245 millimeters tall without the battery. That is about 3.6 inches around. That's about the biggest thing you do need to worry about with it. Weight wise, 682 grams without a battery, 1 pound, 8.1 ounces without a battery. With a battery, 2 pounds, 14.8 ounces, so just shy of 3 pounds, 1325 grams. So, and that's with a 4.0, 5.0 Nikita LXT battery. So it's got some weight to it, but it's not super heavy. It's not super light. Any of that. Runtime with this is pretty close to what they recommended. I'm not going to do the runtime on camera. In high, you're going to get 15 to 18 minutes continuous use. Medium, about 30 minutes to 37 minutes continuous use. Low, about 100 minutes to 88 minutes continuous use with a 4.0 amp hour battery. I didn't do a 2 or a 5. You can do your own testing with that. I don't know what else to tell you. Airspeed, meh, a lot. You will see. I'll give you some examples of what it'll blow around and what it won't blow around. Quick features with this: there is LED light up front, right there. You locking mechanism here, you either love or hate. I have a second one of these. I disabled it, so it just pulls the trigger, but it will not stay on. It's like your standard up here with an impact or a drill, you reverse switch, but that's an unlock. It only goes in this direction, doesn't work from this side. Unlock, pull the trigger, turn it on, push this round button at the same time, and it locks it on. So you can hold it from the battery like this. I find that nice when you're reaching down at the ground, blowing something down like this. You don't have to hold it all awkwardly, or you're dusting yourself off. You just, you know, it's has its good and has its bads with that locking to it. Down here at the bottom, nice fancy looking LED screen-a-majig that doesn't really do too much. Gives you your high, medium, low with the lights. Watch your ears. We'll do this again. Ready? Medium, low, high, medium, medium, low. And that's your battery gauge up here up top. Doesn't really do too much battery gauging. Um, give it a second. You'll hear the turbine speed up. It's not instantaneous to get up to high. One more time. You ready? Fantastic. Let's look at some examples of what it does in the wild. Thank you all again very much for checking in. I know it's been a while. I'm going to try to be much more consistent with getting content posted. Please hit me up with a like. If you like the content, subscribe. It helps my videos get out there to more people who are looking for this kind of stuff. Very, very, very much appreciated. I see a lot of people watching, not a lot of people liking. All right, that's it. I'm done begging because I hate to be that guy. But please,